Hello, welcome to CareBloom. Before your kid arrives, we find that it's helpful to begin planning for setup. Every home has a different layout, so we put together our list of tips and tricks to get the most out of CareBloom. First, you'll need to connect the gateway to the internet, so make sure you locate the router or modem ahead of time. We provide all of the cables, so an open port is all that you need. Next, consider what rooms you would want to monitor. The CareBloom kit has sensors for 5 rooms. Consider high usage rooms or areas that pose a fall risk, like the basement. Each room will have a sensor and an anchor. Sensors are placed at eye level on the wall and do not require power since they have internal batteries. Try to avoid placement where it can detect multiple rooms or hallways. Anchors can be installed on tabletops or can be placed on the wall. It's important that it's not blocked by furniture or tabletop items. Anchors are plugged into electrical outlets, so you may need extension cords if yours are sparsely placed. Anchors work best when they're not placed on back to back walls within the home. The farther anchors are from one another, the easier it'll be for the system to differentiate rooms. Every home is different, so if you're ever concerned about location accuracy, please contact us. We'll work with you to test optimal positioning of sensors and anchors. If you have any questions during setup, we're here to help. Contact our customer service line at 216 202 5114. You can also email us at support@carebloom.com. Thanks.